Hi, you're probably here because you want to learn how to dunk. Well, I can't really teach you how to dunk, but I can show you the physics of dunking. Here's how. When you jump, there are horizontal and vertical vectors. Energy is converted from potential energy to kinetic energy. In fact, the law of conservation states, energy cannot be created or destroyed. Therefore, dunking is a harmony of two things, converting potential energy into useful kinetic energy, and just good old timing. Dunkers follow the parabolic motion of projectiles to the maximum vertex. Usually, a dunker will try to dunk somewhere near the vertex of their jump, or the highest point. To dunk, a player must generate enough vertical force in the upward direction against the pull of gravity to reach over a 10-foot regulation rim and put the ball in. Basically, the jumper has to exert enough force onto the ground so the ground will exert the same amount of force up to the jumper and propel him upwards in the vertical direction.
To find this force, let us first consider the equation work equals mg delta h.
Let's first find delta H. We can use myself as an example. I am 6 feet tall, or 1.83 meters. With arms straight up, I can reach up to 8 feet, or 2.4 meters. This is my standing height. Now we must find M. I weighed myself this morning, and I weigh 170 pounds. If we take a regulation game basketball to weigh 624 grams, we can find total mass by adding the two masses together. Lastly, let's solve for gravity. Gravity can just be taken to be an assumed 9.81 meters seconds squared, the gravitational pull on the surface of the Earth. Now that we have all the variables, let's plug it into the equation.
We should get 464 joules.
Once we have determined work, we can now use it to find force. We can use the equation force equals work over distance to find this force. In this case, we can determine distance to be 3 feet or 0.91 meters, the distance needed to bend my knees to leap upward. Now using our equation for force, let's divide work by distance. We should get
510 newtons. This is the force necessary to accelerate your body's given mass upwards against the pull of gravity.
But now that you know the physics of dunking, you can do it too. So go on and get out there. Don't let anything hold you down, especially gravity. Oh, and one more thing. Go Dogs!